Hi everyone, this is your interview buddy Raghavi from Quantumnique. Today, we're diving into the do-while loop in C programming. The do-while loop is an exit-controlled loop. It executes the body first and then checks the condition. This means it always runs at least once. Think of it like a restaurant menu. You browse the options first and only then decide if you want to order something or exit. The menu is always shown. Here is the syntax. Notice the do keyword at the start and the while condition with a semicolon at the very end. That semicolon is crucial. Let's look at this example. We initialize I to 1. The loop prints I, increments it, and checks the condition. It prints numbers 1 to 5 sequentially. A classic use case is menu-driven programs. You want the user to see the menu at least once before they decide to quit the application. Interview tip. Always remember that unlike for or while loops, do-while guarantees at least one execution, even if the condition is false initially. Time for a quick quiz. Which loop executes at least once? A, for, B, while, C, do-while, or D, nested loop? The answer is C. Follow Quantumnique for more tech tips and check our GitHub for the full code. Happy coding, everyone!